Welcome to another episode on our channel. I'm reviewing this white wolf because someone who watches the channel made a special request for me to do so. So here it is. It's a JXK Studio wolf. It's a white wolf. And I've shown you some other colored wolves in the past. There are 3 in this series with the saddle. A lighter brown, a darker brown, and a white wolf. So this is the white wolf. So it comes with a blanket under the saddle. It comes with a saddle. I don't know who exactly will ride the wolf, but anyway, it comes with those 2 things. It has a bedroll, and on one side I put a pouch that it came with, but we'll put it on a turn tray so you can see it. It also has leg warmers on it, which are cool. It comes with a muzzle, and I love the muzzle because I do not like fierce looks, and it does have quite a few teeth showing, so I prefer it. That's me. I prefer it with a muzzle. So we'll pause now and get them on a turn tray so you can see them from different angles. All right, we'll spin them around so you can see them from different angles. The saddle, the blanket under the saddle, it's very furry. The bedroll, which complements, it's a different color than the black saddle and the black blanket underneath the saddle. The pouch, which is brown, which matches the bedroll. And the leg warmers. And of course, the muzzle. So what we'll do is pause now and get an even tighter look at this particular wolf. I think you can see some more details now. We'll go around again. Move that a little bit better. Yep. His teeth are showing. The point of the muzzle is to hide the teeth. Anyway, okay. Did my best. All right. And for the person who asked for the review, we'll get a real close-up of its face with the mask and without the mask. So he can make a decision as to, he or she can make a decision as to whether they want to get this particular wolf. Here he is with the teeth showing. I'll just go slightly side to side. And then I do have to put that mask on because it really does not look good to me with the teeth, but that's me. Oh, so much better. Anyway, I won't go side to side because the teeth may show on this one, but I do love the muzzle look. Here's one last look at our Tibetan wolf, 1/6 scale, made by JXK Studio. I actually got this wolf and the other 2 wolves from Time Walker Toys. You might want to check him out. He's very good in terms of prepackaged items that are at good prices. So anyway, I hope you've liked what you've seen. If you have, consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. In the meantime, everyone, please have a great day.